Hi, I'm Dr. Tap with Tap Into Wellness Chiropractic and Acupuncture. Should I crack my own back or neck? We get asked that by patients all the time. They say it feels better when they do it. Let me share some information with you. I'm a chiropractor and I can tell you that most chiropractors I know are not going to crack their own back or try to adjust themselves. At least the smart ones. Trying to treat yourself is just not something that can be done with the precision that's needed. So if a chiropractor who's been trained for years and has hundreds of education and hands-on practice can't do it, why would a person who hasn't had all the training and experience be able to do it? I like to compare it to a dentist. A dentist isn't going to remove his own cavity. He might brush his own teeth, which is comparable to a chiropractor doing stretches and exercises to maintain his spine. But when it comes to an actual procedure, you know the dentist isn't going to be able to put a mirror up and dig out his own cavity. Maybe he wants to, but I wouldn't trust that dentist. It's the same thing with a chiropractor. The chiropractor is going to go to another chiropractor to get a proper adjustment and proper alignment, but by somebody else who's trained, and they get a much better result. For the same reasons you shouldn't be cracking your neck or cracking your own back, and there's the potential for injury. If you keep cracking your neck and your own back, the ligaments are going to become loose, which would cause more misalignments and injuries down the road. Definitely do not crack your own back or attempt to any sort of adjustment because you've seen it on YouTube or on TV somewhere. We want to help you. We want to make sure it's done right, and we can give you the proper recommendations. If you found this useful, like it or comment. If you know someone who's cracked their own back or neck, share this with them. Maybe it'll help. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.